How to start flipping houses with absolutely no credit. Hard to believe? Yes. Super possible? Absolutely. I'm going to teach you today. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Reyes, and if you have not subscribed or commented or liked any of my videos, please do so. Let's get to the video. Over 1,000 transactions, way over 1,000 transactions. I have flipped houses, physically flipped properties, not me, but my crews in multiple states across the entire country. And if you're wondering how many times I use my personal credit, well, the answer is 0. I have never used my credit, not even one time, to flip one property. Never. I've always used the method that's called OPM, other people's money. And that's what I'm gonna show you today. Okay, if you're wondering, well, how do I even use other people's money? How do I leverage somebody else's credit? How do I even find the houses, right? Well, hold on, one step at a time, all right? First and foremost, if you don't know what wholesaling real estate is, I urge you to grab this book. You can either grab it on Amazon for $20 or you can get it for free right straight to your phone if you go to bestreibook.com. I teach you a lot of secrets and strategies in here that are gonna be very useful, and you're gonna be able to find that off-market discounted property, and you can start flipping houses today, because now I'm gonna give you step 2. If you go to cashbuyersplus.com, you'll be able to find what's called hard money lenders across the entire country. All right, and this is what you're gonna do with these hard money lenders. When you go to cashbuyersplus.com, download that list, you're going to A, either email these hard money lenders, or B, call these hard money lenders and request their terms. You're gonna say this: hey, my name is Joe, and I have an off-market discounted property that I'm looking to flip. I'm looking to rehab, and I'm looking for hard money at this time. Is this something you can help me with? They're gonna say, yeah, of course we can help you out. Well, then you're gonna say the following: okay, well, I would love to see what your terms are. I need to know what your APR is, if you have a document processing fee, also if you charge any points. Those are the 3 components that you are going to require. That's right. Those are the terms you're gonna ask, because you're then gonna compare lender to lender, terms to terms. You're gonna have a selection or options of hundreds and hundreds of people that are willing to lend you money because you found an off-market discounted property. You found a valuable asset. So because you found that valuable asset, you're gonna need 0 of your own credit. All they're gonna use is that property as leverage. That's all. So because you found this property with all this equity in it, they're going to lend you sometimes up to 100% of that property's retail value. In many cases, they'll lend you up to 90% and 80%. Only then will you need to either put some kind of down payment to flip that property, or raise some money, go on a joint venture with someone else so they can come in with you and you guys can actually make this transaction possible. Now, again, I'm gonna repeat, if one of these hard money lenders is only willing to do up to 90% of that property's value, then there's a 10% margin that you're going to need to cover, okay? If it's a $200,000 property, guess what? You're gonna need to cover up to $20,000 of that loan as a down payment. And if you don't have that money, well, guess what? You already found the golden egg. You just need to raise $20,000 from, I don't know, an uncle, an aunt, your father, your mother, a colleague. You're gonna say, hey, I got this off-market discounted property. I got a lender. All I need you to do is come in with X amount of money, and I'm gonna give you X amount of return on that money. And now that person becomes your joint venture partner. Does that make sense? So again, do not be misguided and think that you need to have a 750 plus credit score or 800 credit score, or that your debt to income ratio has to align for you to acquire this loan. Absolutely not. The most important thing here is you need to find that property. You need to go to cashbuyersplus.com. You need to contact one of these lenders. You need to ask for the terms, and then you need to move forward. Again, I have flipped over 1,000 properties in multiple states. Not one time did I use my personal credit, and that's what I want for you. So if you feel that this information is useful, do me a huge favor, share it, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, because there's a lot more of this coming your way. Thank you.